Hello everyone and welcome to Vidyarthi Point. Today our topic is partnership. Partnership holds at least 2 to 3 marks in your exams, whether be it in banking or SSC or any other government exams. So whenever we talk about business, we know that there are two different ways when the ownership is concerned. That is single owner and multiple owner. In case of single owner, only one person invests in a business and he alone runs it. Whereas in case of multiple owner business, there are more than two persons that invest money and time and runs a business. The person who runs the business are known as partners. When these partners invest money in order to gain profit, this deal is known as partnership. In partnership, the partners do some agreement or they agree on some terms in which the profit and loss is to be divided. Now, there are two types of partners in a partnership business. One is your sleeping partner and another is your working partner. The sleeping partner is always passive. That is, a sleeping partner will invest the money but it will not take part in the management of the business. Whereas a working partner is always active. That is, a working partner will invest money as well as it will take part in the management of the business and it will invest its time in managing the business. In partnership, there are some elements that we need to remember. Number one is your capital. Now, what is capital? Capital is nothing but the sum of money invested in the business. That is the sum of money invested. Now, after capital, we have the equivalent capital. In some type of business, people will invest money for different periods of time. Now, their equivalent capital will be multiplied with the amount and the time of their investment. This is your equivalent capital. Next, we have profit and loss distribution. Now, the profit and loss is equally distributed between the partners. It is distributed on some terms. The terms may be the time, that is for how much time the partners are investing in a business, and it also depends on the amount of their investment. A partner who will invest more amount of money and for more duration of time, that partner will get more money or more profit, whereas a partner who has invested for a short period of time and his investment is also small will get less amount of profit. Now, the partnership is of two types. They are simple and compound. In simple type of partnership, here the investment that the partners invest is for a similar period of time and their investment is also same. That is, investment is for same period of time. So, in this case, their profit will be in the ratio of their investment. That is, profit ratio equals to ratio of investment. It means that the person who will invest more will have more profit and the person who will invest less will get less profit because here the time is same. Now, in case of compound partnership, here the investment may be same or different, but the time period is not same. Here time period is different. So, in case of compound partnership, how will we divide the ratio of their profit? In this case, the ratio of their profit will be the product of their investment, that is how much money they have invested, and also the time of their investment. So, here profit ratio equals to investment multiplied by time of investment. Since here time is different, so we have to take the time into the profit ratio. Now, let us solve one example of each so that we can clearly understand these two types of partnership. Now, let us solve a problem of simple partnership. Here the question is A, B and C invested rupees 10,000 each. After 1 year, profit is rupees 3,000. Find the share of each. This is a case of simple partnership. So, here the time duration is same, that is 1 year or 12 months. Now, their investment is 10,000 each. We have to find the share of each. Here ratio of profit equals to ratio of investment. Since the time duration is same, so here the ratio of A, B and C will be 10,000 is to 10,000 is to 10,000. Now, upon cancellation we have 1 is to 1 is to 1. That is, this is their profit ratio. Now, let us see what is their profit at the end of the year. That is rupees 3,000 is the profit at the end of 1 year. Now, A's share will be ratio of A, which is 1, by ratio of the 3, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 multiplied by the annual profit, which is 3,000. Now, 1 by 3, that is adding their ratios into 3,000. Upon cancellation, we have 1,000, which is A's profit ratio. Now, A's share of the annual profit is 1,000. Now, similarly, B's share will also be 1 by 3, adding all the 3 ratios into annual profit, which will give us rupees 1,000, and again C's share will also be 1 by 3 into 3,000, since 1 is all A, B and C's ratio, equals to rupees 1,000. If in a question the ratio of all the 3 are same or all the partners are same, then simply by finding the share of one, we may know the share of the other 2. Now, we have a question from the compound partnership. Here, A invested rupees 6,000. After 6 months, B invested rupees 10,000. Profit at the end of the year, that is profit at the end of 1 year, is rupees 15,180. Find B's share. Here, In the question, we can see that the time of investment of A and B is different. Here, the profit is calculated after 1 year, and we know that 1 year equals to 12 months. A has invested for 12 months, but B has invested after 6 months, that is 12 minus 6, 6. That means A has invested for 12 months, but B has invested for 6 months. In the question, if it was that after 3 months B has invested, then you need to subtract 3 from 12, then 9 months. That means B has invested from 9 months. Whatever the months is given, you have to subtract it from your 12 months time. Now, profit at the end of year is this. Now we have to find B's share of profit. Here, this is a compound partnership problem. So, profit ratio is investment multiplied by time of investment. So, here A and B's ratio is, A has invested 6,000 for how many months? 12. Now, B has invested 10,000 rupees. And what is the time of investment? 6 months. Now, 6 can be cancelled here. We have 12,000, 2 into 6,000, 12,000 is to 10,000. Now again upon cancellation, we will get 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. So here A and B is in the ratio of 6 is to 5. Here A's ratio is 6, B's ratio is 5. Now, we have to find B's share. B's ratio is 5, so B's share equals to B's ratio, that is 5, by A plus B's ratio, that is 6 plus 5, into your profit, which is 15,180. Which will give us 5 by 6 plus 5 will give us 11 into 15,180. Now, if we cancel this, 11, 1 will give us 11, remainder is 4. So, here it will become 41. Let us do it here. 11 1 ja 11, 41, 11 3 ja 33, 8 is remainder, then 88, 11 8 ja 88, so 0 will come here, that is 1380. Now multiply it by 5, your answer will be 500, 5 8 ja 40, 4 is remainder, 5 3 ja 15, 16 17 18 19, 5 1 ja 5, 6. So B's share will be 6,900. So, this was all about the concept of partnership and the elements that are involved in it. Now, in our next video, we will be solving the types of partnership problems. Thank you.